Hello, friends! Welcome to Fluento. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We are so happy you're here today.
David, can I tell you something? This morning, I made a very silly mistake.
Oh no, what happened?
I was at the coffee shop. I wanted to say, "Can I have a cookie?" But instead, I said, "Can I have a chicken?"
A chicken in a coffee shop?
Yes! The woman looked at me very strangely. My face turned red. I felt so embarrassed.
No, Anna. But you know what? That story is perfect for today's topic.
Really? How?
Because today we're talking about something very important. We're talking about those uncomfortable moments when English feels impossible.
You mean those days when your mouth doesn't work? When the words hide in your brain?
Exactly those days. And here's what we want to tell you today. Those hard moments, they're actually making you better.
It's true. Even my chicken mistake taught me something.
Before we start, we have one small request. If this conversation helps you today, please press the like button down below.
Yes, and subscribe to Fluento so you don't miss our next chat. We make new videos every week to help you with real, everyday English.
And if you know a friend who's learning English, maybe someone who feels discouraged right now, please share this video with them.
Okay, let's begin. David, tell me, do you ever have days where English just feels too much?
Oh, absolutely. Last week I was watching a movie in English, no subtitles, and after 20 minutes my brain felt tired. I couldn't understand anything anymore.
What did you do?
First, I felt frustrated. I thought, David, you've been studying for years. Why is this still so hard?
I know that feeling.
But then I stopped. I made some tea, and I thought about something interesting.
What was that?
I remembered when I first learned to ride a bicycle.
A bicycle? How is that connected to English?
Well, when I was 7 years old, my father gave me a bicycle, a beautiful red bicycle.
That sounds lovely.
It was lovely, but the first day, I fell down many times. My knees had scratches. I felt frustrated. I thought maybe bicycles weren't for me.
But you didn't stop?
No, my father said something wise. He said, David, falling down means you're learning. If you never fall, you never improve.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And English is the same. When you feel confused, when you make mistakes, when you don't understand, your brain is actually working very hard. You're learning in that exact moment.
So the uncomfortable feeling is actually good?
Yes, think about it this way. Imagine you're building muscles at the gym.
Okay, I'm imagining.
If you lift a very light weight, 1 kilogram, it's easy, right? No problem.
Very easy.
But your muscles don't change. They stay the same. Now, if you lift a heavy weight, maybe 10 kilograms, what happens?
It's difficult. Your muscles feel pain.
Exactly. That pain means your muscles are growing. They're getting stronger.
So when English feels heavy and difficult, your brain is growing. You're getting stronger. I love this idea. So my chicken mistake this morning, that was my brain working hard?
Yes, your brain was trying something new. That's courage.
David, I want to ask you something. A lot of our listeners work very hard. They have jobs, families, responsibilities. At the end of the day, they're exhausted. How can they find energy for English when they're so tired?
That's a very good question. And I think the answer is you don't need to do everything.
What do you mean?
Many people think, I need to study for 2 hours every day. And if they can't do that, they feel like a failure.
Oh, I understand. It's all or nothing.
Yes, but that's not true. Small actions are very powerful.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Let's say you're very tired. You come home from work. You see your English book on the table. It looks very big and heavy.
Yes, I can imagine that feeling.
Instead of opening that big book, just do one tiny thing.
Like what?
Read one sentence, just one. Or listen to one English song while you cook dinner. Or watch a 3-minute video while you drink your coffee.
So we're talking about very small steps.
Exactly, because one small step is better than 0 steps.
That makes me think of a story. Can I share it?
Of course.
I have a friend named Maria. She's from Brazil. She wanted to learn English, but she worked 10 hours every day.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, she felt like she had no time, but then she changed her thinking.
How?
Every morning, she listened to English for 10 minutes while she ate breakfast. Just 10 minutes, nothing more.
And did it help?
After 6 months, her English improved so much. She told me, "Anna, I can't believe it. Just 10 minutes every day changed everything."
That's a perfect example. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Yes, it's better to do 10 minutes every day than to do nothing for 6 days and then study for 3 hours on Sunday.
Absolutely. Your brain likes regular practice, even small practice.
David, I want to talk about something else, something I think is very important.
What is it?
Comparison, comparing ourselves to other people.
Oh, yes, this is a big problem.
I see this all the time. Someone starts learning English, then they see another student who speaks perfectly, and they think, "I'll never be that good."
It's very discouraging.
But the truth is, everyone has a different journey.
Can you explain that more?
Sure, maybe that other student studied English in school for 10 years, or maybe they have a job where they speak English every day, or maybe they live in an English-speaking country.
So their situation is completely different.
Exactly. You can't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20.
That's a wonderful way to say it.
The only person you should compare yourself to is yourself yesterday.
Yourself yesterday.
Yes. Are you better today than you were yesterday? Did you learn one new word? Did you understand one more sentence?
If yes, then you're winning.
Exactly. You're the winner of your own journey.
I think our listeners need to hear something else too.
What's that?
It's okay to rest.
Rest? But we just said don't give up.
There's a difference between giving up and resting.
Oh, tell me more.
Giving up means you stop forever. You close the door. You say, English is not for me.
And resting?
Resting means you take a break. Maybe today you're too tired. Maybe this week is very stressful. That's okay. Take a pause, but come back tomorrow or next week.
So it's like a marathon runner.
Yes. In a marathon, runners sometimes walk for a few minutes. They drink water, they breathe, but they don't leave the race.
They're still in the race. They're just resting.
Exactly.
You know, David, I want to share something personal.
Please do.
There are days when I feel very small, when English or anything difficult feels too big for me.
What do you do in those moments?
I remember that I'm not alone. I have support. I have my faith.
That's beautiful.
I believe that God sees my efforts. He knows my heart. He knows I'm trying my best, and that gives me strength.
It's comforting to know we don't have to carry everything by ourselves.
Yes, when I feel weak, I can ask for help. I can pray. I can trust that there's a bigger purpose to my learning.
What do you think that purpose is?
Well, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary.
No?
No, it's about connection. It's about talking to people from different countries. It's about understanding different cultures. It's about opportunities for jobs, for travel, for friendship.
So when we want to give up, we should remember why we started.
Exactly. Think about all the doors that English can open.
That's very motivating.
David, let's do something practical now. Can we give our listeners some specific tips?
Great idea. Let's make a list of things you can do when English feels too hard.
Okay. Tip number 1. Change your activity.
What does that mean?
If reading feels boring, try listening. If listening feels difficult, try writing. Mix things up.
I like that. Tip number 2, celebrate small wins.
Yes. Did you understand one sentence today? That's amazing. Write it down. Feel proud.
Tip number 3, find a learning friend.
A learning friend?
Someone who's also learning English. You can practice together. You can encourage each other on hard days.
That's wonderful. Tip number 4, use things you enjoy.
Can you give examples?
Sure. Do you like cooking? Watch cooking videos in English. Do you like football? Read football news in English. Do you like music? Listen to English songs.
When you enjoy the topic, learning feels easier.
Exactly. Tip number 5, be kind to yourself.
This is maybe the most important tip.
Don't say, I'm stupid, or I'll never learn this.
Instead, say, I'm learning, or I'm getting better every day.
The words you say to yourself are very powerful.
They really are.
David, we've been talking for a while. Should we summarize?
Yes, let's remember the main ideas.
First, we talked about difficulty. We said that when English feels hard, that's actually good. It means your brain is growing.
Like muscles at the gym.
Second, we talked about small steps. You don't need to study for hours. Even 5 or 10 minutes helps.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Third, we talked about comparison. Don't compare yourself to other people. Compare yourself to yourself yesterday.
Fourth, we talked about rest. It's okay to take breaks. Rest is not the same as giving up.
And fifth, we talked about purpose. Remember why you're learning. Remember all the opportunities English will bring.
These are very good reminders.
Before we finish, I want to ask our listeners something.
What do you want to ask?
I want to know, what's one small victory you had this week with English?
Oh, I love this question.
Maybe you understood a word in a movie. Maybe you had a short conversation. Maybe you read one page of a book.
Please write your victory in the comments. We want to celebrate with you.
Yes, and tell us, what do you do when you feel discouraged? How do you find motivation?
Your ideas might help other people too.
We love reading your comments. It makes our community stronger.
And remember, if you enjoyed this conversation, please like and subscribe.
It really helps us create more content for you.
Well, friends, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for not giving up on your English journey.
You're doing better than you think. Keep going, one step at a time.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.